Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing Winsteps. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that claims that they combine self-improvement with entertaining rewards by tracking daily steps, and basically just by walking around, they claim that you can pay out. So as you can see right here, you can't even go to their site right here on Google Play since they may have already been taken down. And I saw this post on Reddit saying that Winstep has anyone try this app that I saw in an ad in a money making app. So 33.7 out of 5, no reviews in my language. I'm downloading it now. So this person said it has a 2.5 and literally all reviews on Google Play say that it's a scam and do not download it. I just saw this ad myself and it looks really fishy based on online searches, and some recent reviews state that the stock for withdrawing gift cards is out of stock by the time you get to enough to withdraw. Reminds me of one fake step counter app, blah blah blah. So please guys, do not download this app with the hopes of making money. It is very clearly fake. Yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.